Hello everyone. Let's discuss the difference between electrical devices and electronic devices. They sound similar but they have lot of differences between them. Electrical devices mainly deals with the flow of electrons through conductors, whereas electronic devices deals with the flow of electrons and holes through semiconductors and vacuum. All electronic devices are made up of semiconductors. Electrical devices have no decision-making capacity, whereas electronic devices are intelligent devices. They can analyze data and can make decisions. They also have memory storage. Electrical devices mainly use AC supply. Very few electrical devices use DC supply. Conversely, almost all electronic devices use DC supply, but very few devices use AC supply. Electrical devices are bulky, whereas electronic devices are small in size. This miniature size is possible because of the scientific technique called doping. Electrical devices cannot be programmed without the help of external circuits. By electrical, we mean hardware only, whereas electronic devices can be programmed. Electronic devices is a combination of hardware as well as software. Electrical devices are made up of resistors, capacitors and inductors, whereas electronic devices are made up of diodes, transistors, logic gates, latches, flip-flops, etc. Another main question is which is strongest, AC or DC? Let us see a 10 volt AC supply and a 10 volt DC supply. AC voltage is continuously varying in magnitude, but DC voltage is constant throughout. It is steady voltage, hence DC voltage is more stronger than AC voltage. Another major doubt is which shock is severe, AC shock or DC shock. Whenever current flows through our body, our muscles get polarized. If it is a DC supply, then muscles will be polarized in a particular direction only. But if AC current flows through our body, our muscles will be polarized in both directions as AC current reverses its direction in each half cycle. Therefore, the muscle polarization will also reverse in half cycle. As a result, muscles will get damaged soon. Hence, shock by AC is more severe than DC. Thank you.